Hello! If you are looking for the download files in your OPPO A31, for the first we have to enter the file manager, move to the downloads, and here you will find the things that you download from the internet. But currently we cannot find anything, so let's go for the Google Chrome and I'm gonna show you how it works. Let me type here Selena Gomez and I'm gonna download her picture. Tap here and maybe we can go for this photo, so tap hold and download the image. And right now when we go back to the file manager, you can find in the downloads Selena Gomez picture. And this is how it looks. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.